In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import friends from Steam in EA App. If you'd like to find and add your Steam friends in the EA app, the process is simple as long as your Steam account is linked to your EA account. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can easily import your friends and start playing together. Even if your friends list is currently empty, like mine, you can still follow these steps to make sure everything is set up correctly. To begin, open the EA app and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the Friends panel on the right side of the window. If you don't have any friends added yet, you'll see a Find Friends button. Click that button to continue. After selecting Find Friends, a new window will appear. At the top of this window, you'll find the Import Friends tab. Click on it to view the available platforms that can be used to import friends into your EA account. If your Steam account is already connected, Steam will appear as one of the available options. Keep in mind that if you don't currently have any friends on Steam, or if none of your Steam friends have linked EA accounts, you may not see anyone listed. That's completely normal. The Import Friends feature only displays friends who are eligible to appear based on your connected accounts. If Steam doesn't appear as an available option, you'll first need to make sure your Steam account is linked to your EA account. To check this, return to your EA account settings. Open your account menu and go to Settings. From there, select the Manage option to open your EA account page in your web browser. Once your account page has opened, look for the Connections section on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the list of third-party accounts that can be connected to your EA account. Locate Steam in the list. If it isn't already linked, select the Link option and follow the prompts to connect your Steam account. After the connection has been completed successfully, return to the EA app and open the Import Friends section again. You should now be able to view eligible Steam friends that can be imported into your EA friends list. If you still don't see any friends, double-check that your Steam account is linked correctly and that your friends also use EA-supported games or services. That's all it takes to import friends from Steam into the EA app and make it easier to connect with people you already know. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,